What's up, JJ Squad? We're back with another video. I have a special guest here.
Nicole. Hi guys, what's up?
By the way, she's my best friend. Today we're gonna be doing some cake.
I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep but love, yeah. Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees, my knees. Every night I fall deep but love, yeah. Wait a minute, don't you leave me before I get to kiss ya. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Yeah, wait a minute, I can let you go before I kiss ya. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two. I should catch up on my reading, I should catch up on my eating, yeah. But it's hard to keep a thought straight with you all up in my face. Try to get you out my mind, but why should I when you're all I really like, yeah. I feel higher than a mountain, all because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep. Just need a minute or two. I just need a minute or two. Minute with you is all I want.
Today we have the frosted cake mix, the whipped cream, the 3 eggs, the spatula, the half cup of oil. Let's get started, guys. Woo! So will you be honest, Nicole? While the cake is baking, I'm gonna let you know about my guest here.
My name's Nicole. I was born in Las Vegas, Nevada. My date of birth is 8/7/1991, and I'm 30 years old.
How we met was, well, we've known each other for a long
What?
I don't know, it's Krish. You know, she's a really cool person. She's a really nice person. She's been there for me. I've been there for her. Mary is not in this video because she's at work right now. I plan on doing a video with her soon. I'm really hoping soon. And another thing, like, we have stuff in common. We act the same. We think alike. We think alike, yes. She's dating Daniel, by the way.
Yes, I am. We're hoping to do a video of our own.
What else?
But what else you want to talk about? Anything?
Anything?
I've been with Daniel for about a month and a half now, give or take. He's a real sweet person. I love him to death. We think a lot. We spend time together. We do a lot of things together. I'm not going to go into detail, but we do plan on doing a video together eventually. See how that goes. Let's stay tuned for that one.
She's a really cool person. I like her vibe. I like, you know, a lot about her. She's a really sweet person. She's cool. You know. We have more memories to come though.
We do. Stay tuned for that one. That's gonna be a real
We're
good
probably
one for you
gonna
guys.
do another video together too, after I do one with my wife, I just say. Like I said, she's not here right now. But stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, it's out of the oven. We're about to give it 10 minutes to cool down, guys. It's ready to eat soon, a mukbang soon. Let's get it. Stay tuned.
See you guys later. Peace.
So now guys, it's time for the frosting with the cake. How's our day going?
Sure.
Crack jokes to each other? It's up to you. Mm.
This is bomb.
You did a good job on it. Nice going, partner.
Oh yeah, partner. So, guys, my wife is getting off soon, I think. Our day's really going good since we made this video. I woke up today in a good mood. How was your day so far?
So far, so good. I'm excited. I want to see my hubby at 5 o'clock when he gets off of work. I want to say him in peace and let him know that we did this together.
It's falling apart.
It's too moist. You want to add anything?
Oh, by the way, I'm giving her a piece too, my wife.
So, this is the uncle right here. She
Slash
loves
best friend.
kids. Slash best friend. She loves kids. So,
I'm fucking with the cake. I'm so
on the first, we're gonna go on a date with me and my hubby. And then they're gonna do their own thing.
We're gonna go on a date together, me and Jerry. I plan to. It's gonna be cheap, yes, because I don't want to take her expensive. We don't have that much funds right now. So, you know, yeah.
My birthday's coming up after hers. my boyfriend has something planned. I don't know what, but I know that I want to give her something special when I get paid.
No, but my birthday's coming up soon. Huh? My birthday's coming up soon. I don't want a big old party. You know, I just want to cook out and a kickback. I'm not about being a party person. I love partying, yes, but I'm growing out of that. You know, and then on top of that, my wife has something planned for me. I don't know what it is. I keep asking her, but she doesn't tell me. She won't tell me because she knows that I don't like surprises either. She knows that. But I plan on doing a vlog for my birthday. If I have the right equipment, I plan on doing it because I want to do a vlog for my birthday. That's what I plan on doing.
Oh, by the way, there is going to be drinking involved, just to let you guys know.
Mine too. If we have the funds.
If we have the funds, yeah, that's right.
But it just depends.
My boyfriend wants to take me out to eat, but I'm not too sure about that yet. I think I'm just gonna copy her and be like the kickback and just have a cookout.
It's something. Oh, god damn it.
What's up your face? You guys want to stay tuned for that one. That one's gonna be real special for both of our birthdays. You guys are really gonna enjoy that one. You wanna add anything?
There's gonna be dancing involved. Games.
Goodie bags.
Pinata. Yup. That.
A DJ.
You guys, and it probably is gonna be like that off. Sure. But it's gonna be an apartment. My apartment. That's all I'm gonna say. But yeah. Some birthday, yeah. But yeah.
I'm gonna wind up going shopping for my birthday. I'm gonna dress up really nice. I want to get some lingerie, and we'll see how it goes from there.
I've been wanting these pair of boxers, guys. These pair of boxers I've been really wanting. And I keep telling my babe, get it for me, please. I want it.
Liza, put your face here. Pointing down.
With the boxers. And I told her about, like, I want those. She's like, okay, I'll get them for you. I'm like, when? Next year?
Yeah, next year that's what you're gonna get.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna be fun. That's all we can say.
Really fun.
Really fun. There's gonna be lots of candy. There's gonna be games. It's just a little birthday party. That's all it is.
We're inviting our only people that we know.
We'll just keep you updated.
Yeah.
We cannot like go into detail or anything about that.
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoy everything that we did for you guys today. I hope you enjoy
The cake. Please like, subscribe, and comment.
Peace, guys. Love y'all.
Part.
Yeah. One
Because
part.
she said whipped cream. This is not whipped
That's
cream.
frosting.
That's frosting.
Okay, that.
You want